Ever wondered how AI masters complex tasks without needing endless data? Today, we're unraveling complexity-aware fine-tuning, a breakthrough that transforms how models learn, balancing power with precision. Let's break it down. Large language models, LLMs, are incredible. They write, code, and even reason. But when tackling niche challenges, like diagnosing rare diseases or solving esoteric physics problems, they often falter. Why? Traditional fine-tuning, the go-to method, is flawed. It's like teaching a chef to memorize every recipe in a cookbook. Too slow, too data-heavy, and often ineffective for specialized tasks. Here's the innovation. Complexity-aware fine-tuning lets models self-assess their own difficulty. Researchers asked, what if we let the AI flag its own tough questions? The answer lies in entropy, a measure of uncertainty. In AI, entropy isn't chaos. It's a mathematical way to quantify how confident a model is in its answers. Imagine a model answering a question. If it's 99% sure the answer is A, that's low entropy. If it's all over the place, maybe B. Or C. Wait, what's the question? That's high entropy. The team used this metric to categorize questions into 3 tiers: easy, medium, and hard. For easy tasks, they use standard training. For the hard ones, they deploy distillation, a technique where a model learns from a more knowledgeable teacher. Think of it as a genius explaining a concept step by step, then letting a student absorb that reasoning. The AI isn't just memorizing answers, it's learning to think critically. The results? A 12% accuracy boost with 62% less data. That's like running a marathon in half the time without sacrificing speed. Picture training a medical AI to detect rare conditions without drowning it in millions of patient records. Or teaching an engineering assistant to solve complex problems without endless datasets. But how did they identify hard questions? They tested methods like self-reported confidence scores and answer pattern analysis. The winners? A simple token-wise entropy check, analyzing uncertainty at the individual word level. This approach nailed 73% of challenging questions, proving that sometimes simplicity beats complexity. This isn't just about efficiency. It's about building AI that thrives in high-stakes fields: medicine, engineering, law, where precision is non-negotiable. And the best part? The researchers open-sourced their work, inviting the entire AI community to refine and expand it. Next time you see an AI acing a tough quiz, remember, it might be powered by entropy analysis and smart training tricks. Thanks for watching. If you want to explore how this reshapes real-world AI, subscribe. Stay curious, we'll see you in the next video.